Hello and welcome to Gardening and Allotment Tips podcast. This is hosted by Gardening with Ben. If you've not listened to Gardening with Ben podcast before, search for him on Spotify and you will be able to find it. And I am an award-winning podcaster. Don't tell everybody, but I want to grow your own award this year. And these are short 5-minute episodes talking about different gardening and allotment tips to help you out and to share tips and advice with you. So I hope you find it useful. So today's episode we're going to be talking about gardening bargains. Yes, gardening bargains. Now if you do follow my other podcast, you will know that I am addicted to plants. Yes, I have a plant addiction. There could be worse things, but no, I have a plant addiction. And recently I've got into houseplants. It's not something that I usually grow, but I'm wanting to learn more about houseplants. So what better excuse than to actually buy houseplants themselves? And recently I've started looking for bargains, gardening bargains. This time of year it's perfect to find gardening bargains because a lot of people aren't buying plants at this time of year. So garden centres, hardware stores, they have a surplus of plants, or they don't look after them. They just get them in to sell them. They don't care for them or look after them. So you can find some real bargains out there. And the place where I go, I can't mention the name, but it's 2 letters of the alphabet with "and" in the middle. If you can work it out, you should be able to. They have a clearance section, and I've been in there the last 2 days, and I have managed to purchase recently 4 houseplants, and I bought a load of heather for the allotment as well. Now heather obviously grows back every year, so that was perfect. And the houseplants, they looked extremely healthy. I couldn't believe it. So I don't know why they've reduced them to 50p. So what's the point in paying full price if you can buy houseplants at 50p? So you need to keep looking out for them bargains. Don't always pay the full price. Most places have a clearance section, so have a look around and see what you can get. Last year I got some roses for the allotment. A couple of them took, but a couple of them didn't. But I've learnt from that. I need to look to see if they're actually alive before I purchase plants in future. Obviously these houseplants, they are alive. They're green, healthy and vibrant. Now if you follow me on Instagram, Gardening with Ben, you'll be able to see these houseplants and what they look like. So yeah, always look out for the bargains, and there's nothing better than finding a bargain. And when you look at that receipt at what the price should have been to what the price you've actually paid for it. So yeah, have a look around, see what you can find, and if you do spot gardening bargains, let other people know, because there's plenty of people out there that are addicted to plants like myself, and let them know that there's bargains out there to be bought. And try not buy the whole shop like I do. Try not buy all the plants like I do. So yeah, I'm going to start making regular trips to this shop with 2 letters in the alphabet and in the middle. So yeah, I'm going to start going regularly to get these houseplants, because I want to get my flat full of houseplants. It's going to look absolutely amazing if I can do it. And the more houseplants I get, the more I learn about them. So I want lots of different varieties of houseplants to see if I can actually get them growing really good and healthy. And yeah, obviously they're good for the air as well. They help purify it. So houseplants are perfect. So when you're sleeping, you're breathing in all that good air, and it's helping you relax as well. And houseplants obviously are known for producing good air. So get yourself some houseplants, look out for those bargains, and let other people know if you purchase them. Share them on your Instagram like I do. So thanks for listening to today's episode. Again, they're only 5 minutes long, so click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all these podcasts. They're going to be on a regular basis. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, Keep gardening and keep listening to Gardening with Ben's podcasts.